Good morning, everyone. How are we doing today? I'm just about to announce on our daily financial news, which is occurring at 7:30 a.m. on November 9th, that today's a great day. The got some great news on the vaccine. Really, what this is for me is we now have light at the end of the tunnel. Hope over fear has yet again won. And yes, we still have some hard days ahead of us, but again, the light at the end of the tunnel is close. Uh, is it March? Is it April? Is it June? There's a date out there where we can get back to normal. To that end, again, I'm here to help you with real estate investing. Lots of people are joining the channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I create original content for you. And what I do is think about what you might be thinking about. And today, it's, hey, I'm interested in real estate investing. I want to get started next year. What should I do today? Good news. This video is going to tell you what you should be doing for the next 60 to 90 days. So get out a piece of paper and take this down. So if you follow my channel, read my book, listen to my students, part of my course, you know my most frequent phrase is learn your market. But people sort of push back and go, I don't know what that means. I don't know this. So I'm going to give you kind of the outline that you need to go through. So first, when I say learn your market, I don't mean a county. I don't mean a state. I don't even mean a city. I want you to spend time looking at one zip code. So pick a zip code. Again, your buy and hold rental. If you're following my channel, very likely. So make it something at the median, maybe something a little bit below, kind of blue collar, white collar, that kind of area. We're not talking Park Place or Boardwalk, to use a Monopoly reference. So again, pick a zip code. But unless you're in a very small city, that's not enough. And what do I mean by that? If you pick your city, whatever it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you come back with anything bigger than 50 active listings, it's too big. What I want you to do next is I want you to pick an asset type. Do you want to be single family homes or multifamily? And by multifamily, I mean duplexes through fourplexes. Think residential. So that's your first choice, houses or duplexes through quads. Same search. Again, if you're still over 50, it's too big. Let's assume you do houses, because if you're doing multifamily, you've probably got a decent search already. If you're doing houses, maybe put in bedrooms. Do you want 3 or more, 4 or more? I don't know, your call. Do you want 1 bathroom, 1.5, 2? Again, your call. So what I want you to do is I want you to put in a criteria where the active listings is less than 50. Then what you do, once you have that criteria set, I want you to save it, and I want you to look at it every day for the next 60 or 90 days. That's it. That's what I want you to look at. Now that if you do that work, you get a little bit better every day, you are going to start to learn your market. If you need help, you want an outline of what I do with all this data, you need to take my course. It's only $199. You can see from the student reviews, people are enjoying it, getting better, writing offers, and doing deals. I believe if you learn your market, you learn what average is. And once you know average, you can do good or great. But it starts with a focused criteria and then daily action. I believe if you're spending any more than 20 minutes a day looking at the market, you're wasting time. You should be able to get it down to around 10 minutes, but in the beginning, maybe it takes you 20. So that's what I want you to do. Let's get you ready to take advantage and do some deals in 2021. I think 2021 is going to provide some deals across the country. So get ready. I think you can find good and great deals today if you know what you're looking for. It all starts with learning your market and answering the question, what is an average deal? If you need help with that, link below, check out the course, look at the playlist for students, see what they're doing. And of course, have a wonderful day. Again, I'm so happy. There's a light at the end of the tunnel. We can argue about what month. I don't care. There's light at the end of the tunnel. Hope over fear is awesome. All right, everybody, take care. And join the daily financial news, 7:30 a.m. every day. Bye.